Hello and welcome to LCCA. My name is Nadim Choudhury, the Director of Careers and Employability. I'm really excited to welcome you to our fantastic Careers and Employability service. If you're a company seeking to hire entry-level or experienced hire talent, LCCA is here to help you. We have students studying on some fantastic courses in the creative industries, from business and entrepreneurship to graphic design to fashion marketing and promotion, all the way to games design. Our students are diverse, international, and have a unique set of skills and experiences to support your business. There are several ways that you can connect with our talent here at LCCA. Number one, internships and placements. If you're seeking to hire students to work as an intern or maybe a longer-term placement in your company, please come and connect with us. Number two, industry projects. If you're working on a piece of consultancy work and you need students' input, our students can help you develop your brand, your design, or anything else regarding your business plans. Number three, we are seeking to collaborate with local companies who are willing to support our students. Come and use our facilities in a collaborative co-working environment where you can co-create with our creative students. Also, we can help you fill in vacancies that you are recruiting for right now, whether it's part-time work, full-time job opportunities, or anything else that might require talent. We are here to support you.